Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we are going to talk about how to stop caring what other people are thinking about ourselves. So I want to ask you something. Have you ever taken selfie with your group selfie with your friends or with your family? I'm sure हम सब ने कभी ना कभी ली है. और जब भी ग्रुप फ़ोटो ले लेते हैं, what do we do? फ़ोन हाथ में आता है तो what do we do? हम जूम इन करते हैं. किसकी फ़ोटो? खुद की फ़ोटो. And what other people do? They also zoom into their own face, not yours. और अगर फ़ोटो अच्छी आई है, they say पोस्ट करो. अगर नहीं अच्छी आई है तो they say नहीं करेंगे, even though आपकी फ़ोटो अच्छी आई है. So the same thing happens in life. People are not thinking about you. We say that लोग मेरे बारे में क्या सोच रहे हैं, but they are also thinking कि लोग मेरे बारे में क्या सोच रहे हैं. So the lens is on themselves, not on you. So the first shift is take your lens, take your focus off other people's mind and bring it back to your own life. बट थिंक अबाउट कि अगर लोग बोले कि किसी ने कोई नेगेटिव कमेंट किया है, किसी ने कुछ नेगेटिव बोल दिया, फॉर एग्जांपल यू आर सेल्फिश और यू हैव गेन वेट, और किसी ने भी बोल दिया यू आर नॉट स्मार्ट इनफ, अरे तुम तो बहुत डम हो, यू आर डम, देन हाउ टू हैंडल द सिचुएशन और हाउ टू टेक इट. सो रिमेंबर दिस, nothing has a meaning until you give it a meaning. It's not about what they are saying to you. It's about what do you believe about yourself. Other people's words only hurts when you believe that they are the truth or they are the reality, but they are not, right? So for example, अभी मैं आपको बोलूँ कि you have purple hair. Would you believe that or would you get offended? Will not, right? क्योंकि आपको पता है this is not the truth. Similarly, if it doesn't matter what other people are saying to you, what matters is what do you believe about yourself. If you believe that you are selfish, then don't be surprised कि अगर आपको कोई बोले कि you are selfish and you feel hurt, you will feel hurt. So the thing here is about criticism. The more secure you are about yourself, the less power you have, the less power other people's words have over you. So remember always this one thing. So now I want to give you a 24 hours awareness challenge, where if you find yourself thinking what people will think और लोग मेरे बारे में क्या सोचेंगे, then pause and write down these two things. What exactly I'm afraid they'll think about me, and second question to ask yourself is, do I believe it about myself? And if the answer to the second question is no, then let the thought go. And if the answer to the second question is yes, then don't work on the comment ki what they are saying. The work is on you. The work is to work on your belief. The work is on yourself, not others. So do this activity and let me know in the comments how did you find it and how did you feel about this activity, and I'll see you in the next one.